Hello guys, welcome back to the Red channel. So how are you all today? I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to trade based on the trend. So whichever way the trend is moving, that's how we'll be trading here. Okay, so let me take a good look at the pairs. We'll be trading only in cryptocurrency pairs, all right? Because cryptocurrency pairs move according to the trend. That means when there's a downtrend, it's a significant downtrend, and when there's a buyer's trend, it's a strong buyer's trend as well. So that's exactly how we're going to trade here. Okay guys, so now I'll take a look at Polymatic here. So I'll place it around this level. Okay, so if this current market closes as a solid red candle, then for the very next candle, I will place a trade for a bearish downward move. This is because right here, the market appears to be on the very verge of a potential reversal. And if this specific price level gives us a clear breakout, that means it is indirectly showing us that the market definitely wants to continue in the downward direction. So we just need to wait and see whether this candle forms as red or green. If it forms green, I will completely avoid taking a trade here. However, if it forms red, then we will certainly take a trade for the downward direction, guys. Okay, so it is indeed creating a red candle. So that is exactly why I took a trade for the downward direction, guys. I have taken two separate trades here for the downward direction because a clear reversal is happening in the market right now. You can see this candle here. It has a very prominent wick. So this is our classic indecision candle. Look at this. The market was making all green candles, but then there is this red candle with a significant wick both at the top and bottom. So the market is clearly indecisive here. That's why after forming a specific level, the market produced a downward candle. After that, the level we set, if the market gives a breakout at that level, we place a trade for the downward direction as I mentioned earlier. So this candle gave a breakout and I placed two trades here, each for $500. Let's see, and I am placing these trades according to my account size and strict money management. So if you only deposit $500 here and place trades, it will be extremely risky for your trading. Trading is not gambling because this is absolutely not gambling. It requires proper management, a proper setup, proper technical analysis, and the things you learn, the learning and years of hard work. Only after that can you try to become profitable here. You can try, but even then, it's not guaranteed that you will definitely succeed. All right. There are a lot of people who think that they can make a lot of money in trading in just one day. This is a totally wrong notion, okay, guys? Okay, guys. So I'll change the chart here and try to take another trade. All right, so the market here is moving in a lot of consolidation. Okay, I have opened 16 OTC here and you can see how well the consolidation is happening here. So I think the trend is towards the downside. The trend is visible here. There is a consolidation area and I am going to create a level here. So I will set one level here and I'll place it on the upper side here. All right, so guys, the buying pressure here is gradually decreasing. Now, because the buying pressure is low, what can happen here is a breakout. And due to the breakout, the market could follow a certain pattern and fall down to around this level. However, the market could go even lower or it could also go higher. But there's a chance that the market could move downward here. So guys, I've placed two trades downwards here. You can see, guys, because we've already had a breakout here. And there are signs that the market could go even further down. Let's see, guys. Let's watch and see what happens. Let's see what happens here because in the market, both things can happen. You can make a profit and you can also incur losses. So you should know that in trading, it's not like if you gain knowledge and become profitable, then every single trade you make will be profitable. That's not the case either. Loss is also an essential part of the trading process. So you must learn to accept those losses as well. All right, so let's wait, guys. It should be a red candle. As far as I think, let's see what happens. Ideally, it should close below that level. So guys, as you can see, the way I presented the trade here for a downward move. So a significant red candle has formed right here. And now our trade has become profitable at this point, guys. This happened because we clearly saw a strong breakout at the specific level we had previously marked. We placed our level correctly, just as I told you before, when the market was consolidating. But there was this key level, and if it broke out from that level, then here we got one clear retracement candle, and we presented a very good downward move there, resulting in such a large red candle. So guys, this is exactly how we use technical analysis in our strategy, and there are many other people who prefer to do news trading and fundamental analysis as well. There are many people who do fundamental analysis and many who do news trading, but I will prefer technicals. When we are trading on smaller chart patterns, we can only trade here based on technical analysis. So as I told you, the market could come up to this level and the market has already broken out here and is falling downwards, as you can see, guys. So I will place the last trade, and after that we will close our trading setup here. So this is kind of a downtrend, but we will not prefer this chart. Okay, let's just move to the other chart. In the case of Toncoin, what can we see here? First of all, what will I do? I will mark a level here. Okay, so I will put the level here. Okay, so let me drag this. This is the level, guys. If the market breaks out of this level, then as you can see, I am able to explain it to you in a clear way. Now, if you look here, after this green candle formed, a red candle appeared, which means this is a level. Then another green candle formed, followed by another red candle, which again indicates a level, and this is appearing as a strong level. Okay, so if the market breaks out of this level, that can be a chance for the market to move further down. So guys, I am going to trade in the downward direction from here because we have seen another breakout here. We took the last two trades both on breakouts, right? And this is our third trade, and I am also trading on the breakout here because the market has already given a breakout, and the next candle could be a red candle. That is why we are taking this candle seriously. And here the market is responding very well to our technical analysis, to the things we have learned day and night. Our learning is working here, guys, and the way we are applying our techniques here, in the same way things are working out here. So the last two trades I took were profitable, and this is our third trade running here, and our trade is absolutely in a positive direction. The market is following downward just as we applied our techniques here. In the same way, it is moving downward. So guys, 3, 2, now. So guys, this is also our very first red candle, and we've had a pretty good win right here. We've placed 3 trades in a row here, and all 3 trades have been highly profitable for us. So guys, this is how when we work using the detailed practice of technical analysis and use our minds properly, then when we trade, it can be much more profitable for us. That's why I would strongly recommend that whenever you trade, you should meticulously develop a comprehensive trading setup, calm your mind, and only after you've settled your mind should you trade. That way, you'll be able to arrive at significantly more informed and rational decisions. Because when we're in a state of fear or greed at that particular time, we simply can't make good decisions about how and where to trade. But when we are in a calm, meditative state and focusing on something, that's when we can concentrate our full attention on the intricacies of the trade. Then we can really concentrate here. Then we can focus on the trade here, and we can focus on our knowledge as well. Here, we can focus on profit as well. So guys, that's actually all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, I've put the link right in the description, so you can join our Telegram from there as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye for now.